What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Scott Cooks. Today I'm going to be doing a little low carb meal for you. We're going to do that in the slow cooker in the Ninja Foodi. Chicken thighs in Hawaiian sweet and sour. Let's get this thing started. We're going to start off with 4 partially thawed Purdue chicken thighs. Okay, so we've got no carbs here. We're going to try something new tonight. I am not being sponsored by these people. And we're going to go ahead and give them a try. And I might endorse them at the end, I might not. But we're going to give it a try. And the reason for this is, clearly I could have made my own. But total carbs here are only 5 grams. No fiber and only 4 sugars. So this is a really low carb meal. We'll do a low carb vegetable to go with it as well. Now I know a lot of people when they go to use their slow cooker, they just start dumping everything in. Well, you know me. I'm going to do it a little different. About 1 tablespoon of oil. We're going to brown this chicken up a little bit first. Give it a little extra texture, a little extra flavor, because you know I'm all about the flavor. So with your oil in the pot, go ahead and power up your foodie. Sear saute. Certainly don't want it on high. Sear saute medium will do the job. Let's go ahead and get that oil heated up and get our chicken in and browned. Once your oil gets good and hot, get that chicken in skin side down first. And we're going to brown this up. We're going to do about, depends on your chicken and the how thawed it is and everything. But for me, I'll probably end up doing about 6 to 8 minutes per side. I am definitely not trying to cook this chicken. I want to get a good browning sear on each side. I just really like to do that before my slow cook. I think it adds so much to it. Now I know I'm using this pre-made Hawaiian sauce, but you know what I'm going to do anyway, because the more flavor I can get in here, the better it's going to be. And I'm not going to put much of this on. A little on this side, a little on the other side. All right, let's brown them up. All right, y'all, I just want you to hear that sizzle. Let me get the mic over here. Oh yeah. All right, the little trick to browning stuff is don't mess with it till you're ready to flip it. I think we're ready to flip it. Yeah, that is beautiful. I'm sure you can see that. See that good browning on that skin? We're gonna roll these over. That's exactly what I'm after, y'all. All right, we'll roll them over. We'll go about 5 minutes on the other side and get our sauce in. Switch over to slow-mo. Let me read off the ingredients that are in this thing. We've got tomato puree, diced tomatoes, crushed pineapple, onion, little brown sugar, apple cider vinegar, one of my favorites, red bell peppers, carrots, sea salt, dried garlic, and black pepper. I have never tried this. I'm looking forward to it. 100% natural, no preservatives, no fillers, gluten-free, no MSG. And as I stated before, I'm not sure you can pick this one up, but only 5, there it is. 5 grams of carbs. That is very low. Pour it in a little slow. Not sure how much volume I'm going to get. I want to make sure everything is covered. Wow, that really smells good. All right, there you have it. Jesben slow cooker Hawaiian sweet and sour chicken thighs done in the Ninja Foodi. Let's cut into one of these guys. See how we're doing. Oh, I didn't even need a knife. I don't know if you saw that. That just fell apart in my hand. Crazy tender. But you know what matters, right? That would be the flavor. Let's get a nice big blob of this sweet and sour stuff. Give it the old taste test. There goes. It's hot. Oh, that is fantastic. That's actually better than I thought it was going to be. I'll be honest with you. Wow. Very good, very good. What are we going to have with this? Some mixed vegetables, snow pea pods, carrots, squash, and broccoli. And that makes a really good, super low carb dinner. All done in the Ninja Foodi. Sorry, not the vegetables, but the chicken thighs, the Hawaiian sweet and sour. If you like this video, please leave me some comments. Click the like button. Click the bell for notifications. Make sure you check the description. Patreon links and other stuff in there. I want to thank everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you give it a try.